Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone 14T Pro with exquisite premium texture feeling design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with crystal res AMOLED display, 6.67 inches 1.5K punch hole display, with resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.3%. Screen to body ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 144 Hz AI refresh rate, 4000 nits peak brightness, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Leica 23mm Light Fusion 900 main camera with aperture 1.6 with support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel Leica 60mm telephoto camera with aperture 2.0, and with 12 megapixel Leica 15mm ultra wide angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies, it has 32 megapixel 25mm centered punch hole at the center on top of the screen front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 24, 30 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.4 GHz single-core Cortex X4 and 2.85 GHz tri-core Cortex X4 and 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A720 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with a Mortalis G720MC 12 GPU and MediaTek NPU 790 AI generative. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB ultra space, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.4 by 75.1 by 8.39 mm, and it weighs around 209 grams, and the color options: Titan Black, Titan Blue, Titan Grey colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watt hypercharge fast charging, 50 watt hypercharge wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, AI features like Circle to search with Google, Google Gemini AI interpreter, AI notes, AI recorder, AI subtitles, AI film, AI image editing, AI portrait, Xiaomi 3D Ice Loop cooling system, IP68 dust, splash and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 229,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 14T Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.